Siguro ano, there are three things in life that um, parang I really do care about. Number one is mentorship. So, kung meron kang hindi alam at meron kang gustong marating, you have to seek mentors. And then, kasi sila yung magbibigay sa'yo ng shortcut going there.
Mm.
Kasi napagdaanan na nila yun eh. And those mentors doesn't have to be people na sobrang mayaman, alam mo yun. You can have multiple mentors eh. Mentors that um will guide you through your spirituality, will guide you through your mental health, will guide you through a lot of things, 'di ba? You should have different mentors for every aspect of life. Good kung makikita mo yun sa isang tao, pero most often than not, hindi mo talaga yung makikita sa isang tao. And it's good that you surround yourself with people na mas magaling or mas matalino or mas ahead of you. Kasi you would think the same. 'Di ba? Parang iniisip mo, ganito lang ako mag-isip, pero pag kasama ko itong tao na 'to, parang mas napupush akong mag-isip palalo. So that's when you get challenged. Number two, so that's one, you have to seek mentors. Number two, you have to seek collaborations or you have to be in a collaborative environment. So these are the people na same wavelength kayo, pero different expertise. That's why you can collaborate. Kasi you can complement each other. Um, kasi yung mentors mo kanina, above you sila, di ba? Ito naman mga co-collaborators mo. And they can make you creative. And at the same time, ikaw din, you also influence them to be creative as well. So, nagkakaroon kayo ng um, pareho kayong may pinuput on the table. 'Di ba? Kasi isa, mini-mentor ka. So, parang most of the time, ikaw lang yung nakikinabang nun, di ba? Pero this time, since you have co-collaborators, lahat kayo nag-iisip, lahat kayo nagko-collaborate, ganyan. Most importantly, kapag nandun ka na sa status na yon na meron kang co-collaborators and meron ka ng mentors, number three, you have to have an environment where you can pay it forward. Kasi, ikaw naman yung mentor dun sa part na yon, 'di ba?